Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gold bronzy look that I created using the Warrior palette by Juvia'S. To start out this look, I'm using the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade L30. And for right now, I'm just doing it the area around my eyes, and then I'll do my eyebrows and then continue with the rest of the face. For the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. To prime my lids, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Wear Concealer in the shade White. Now I'm using the Warrior palette. And we're going to first be using the matte brown shade, and we're going to be putting that in the crease and outer corner of the eye. Next, I decided to use a shade from the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're going to be using the dark red shade called Passion. Now I'm going over the inner corner area with a little bit of the same foundation I used earlier, and I just want a really nice area to put down the golden colors later on. Next, we're going in with the orangey bronze shade called Pomade. I'm going to try to subtly blend it in with the passion color to make them look like they're blending together. Next, we're going in for the bright gold shade named Bakwa. And we're going to be putting this in the inner eye area and underneath the eye as well. And I decided to add a little bit more of the matte brown shade to the crease area. And use a little bit of the gold for a highlight on the lips and the nose. Next, to contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation sticks. For the dark contour color, I'm using the Toffee, which is 330. And for the highlight underneath the eyes, I'm using Porcelain, which is in 110. For the blush, I'm going to be using a Covergirl powder bronzer. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara for my top lashes, and I will be putting on false lashes later on. Next, I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. For a highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer, and this is in Moonbeam. And then I applied my false lashes, and that completes this kind of goldy bronze look. I just got the Warrior palette for Christmas from my sister and was super excited to be able to use it. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.